Pandey. I am a pediatrician attached at Bhagirathi Neotia Women and Child Care Center, Rawdon Street. So it's a nice sight nowadays with the school starting and the children with their bags and their bottles either going to the school or coming from the school. And last 2 years they were at home, but now it is summertime and we all know that all seasons brings with themselves some kind of problems. So we need to know how we prevent the problems which comes associated with the summertime. And the commonest one is dehydration. Now most of these schools end in the afternoon between 12:30 to 2 o'clock and the heat is at its peak. So what are the precautions we should take? Number one, and that is the most important thing, is to keep them hydrated. And how can we do that? Water, water and water. Encourage your children to take water as much as possible. I agree there are some kids who do not like drinking normal water. You can add a bit of lemonade, at times maybe buttermilk. Fresh fruit juices are very good. But then what we should avoid is no carbonated drinks. Especially for the adolescents and the bigger children, they have a habit of taking lots of colas and drinks. Avoid those because they cause dehydration. And also, of course, this is for the elder kids. Tell them not to take too much of coffee or tea because these three agents are dehydrating agents. So the target should be to give them as much as water possible all throughout the day. Supplement this water at times with maybe a bit of glucose drink, at times with ORS because that takes care of the electrolyte loss as well. The other thing is to avoid heat. If possible, stay at home. If you have to go out, use an umbrella. Try to cover your skin as much as possible. Especially wear light fitting clothes, preferably cotton. Try to use a hat or an umbrella if you have to move out. And what food should you be taking? Try avoiding as much as possible fried foods. Because we all know that fried foods means lots of fat which gets inside your system and that makes your system very hot and that adds on to dehydration. So your target would be to take lots of fruit and vegetables and the fresh available seasonal fruits are the best. Watermelons, mango, guava, citrus fruits, whatever is available. Lots of vegetables are also good for your skin. And few things about skin care. Number one, take bath at least twice daily. Sponge your body after you return home. Try using a normal water rather than a very cold water. And of course, one more thing. When you are drinking also try avoid drinking chilled water. Try taking a bit cooler or normal water when you will take. The other thing to see is if you get skin rashes, apply calamine lotion. You get lots of varieties of calamine lotion. You can apply it 2 to 3 times, but do not apply it throughout all over the body because at times it can make your skin very dry. Talcum powder at times can be used, especially on the skin folds, especially on the neck, the elbows, because that prevents a bit of fungal infection getting into your skin. Take care of your hair as well. Wash your hairs regularly because dry summers at times you get lots of dandruff as well. So you need to take care of that as well. So I would not talk too much on what you should do, but the basics should be try drinking as much water as possible. Fruit juices are good, lemonade is good, buttermilk is good. Avoid taking carbonated drinks, avoid taking too much of coffee or tea. Keep your skin covered, especially with cotton clothes, light colored clothes, a bit loose fitting clothes, and when you are moving out, try taking an umbrella with you, or if not possible, at least a head cover, a hat to prevent the heat directly on your head. Thank you.